So, hello everyone. My name is Maria Riza Kanyal. I am from Davao City and I am one of the active participants of MMM Philippines. So, I had provided help last June 30, 2015. 2015 were 25,000. And today, last day, I asked for help, 25,000, last October 16, 2015. And I'm very thankful sa lahat ng mga nag-provide help sa akin, especially BX Shella, si Rani, Asha, Asang, Rancho, Malgrides, at saka si Marv XX. So, thank you so much sa lahat ng mga participant, and thank you kay Mr. Mavrudi for sharing this opportunity to us because it helped really a lot. So, I hope MMM will live longer and longer to help more people. So, thank you, MMM. Together we can change the world.